Assalamu alaikum. This is our first lesson about AutoCAD 2002. So let's begin first about commands of AutoCAD. Okay. So this is the screen of our AutoCAD, what we will work and draw our drawing on it. Well, this is the screen of working. Okay, this is the tools what we are using in drawing, and here there are lists of controlling our AutoCAD file, how to save and open, save as, export as PDF for example, edit, copy, paste. We have already our expressions on keyboard and we will use it instead of all that. View, insert, format, tools. Here we can use in something like units and drafting settings, something like that. Draw, text and dimension, how to dimension line for example. Let's do something like line, how to measure. We will measure it like that. Dimension, linear, of course. Now we have the dimension of it. Okay, so let's begin. Here is the command display, and this is very important command because we are talking with the program through it. For example, if I want to write something like to draw something like line, so I will write line. So this order is activated. I am writing line. Okay. If I wanted to write circle, I can write circle, rectangular, and so on. So this screen is talking with us. First we will begin with line order. This order is line. As you see, line can change. We first choose first point. He told us here specify first point, so we specified our first point here, and he wants to specify the next point, any line containing from first and second point. So he wants our second point. As you see, we can use all directions. If we press on keyboard on F8, it will be orthogonal. As we see, orthogonal. Or here, we can press here or here, or F8 on keyboard, so it can only move in vertical or horizontal direction. If we press here orthogonal, it moves anywhere. Okay. Second order is circle. Circle, if we see, he asked us specify first point, 3 point. If we will draw our circle with 3 point or 2 point or 10 and radius, something like that, we will draw our or center. He asked us, generally we will draw it in center, so we choose center and we draw our circle, and we can choose the dimension like that. Circle, we can choose our dimension. He need diameter, so he needs the radius, but if I wanted to write the diameter, I will write D. So he need radius. I will write any radius, for example 50. So this diameter is 100. Let's measure it. Diameter 500. Okay. Okay, if we want to draw with a diameter, we can draw with the diameter, or okay, circle, specify point. We did. Now he asking we will draw with radius or diameter. We will draw with diameter, so I will write D. Now he will ask me about the diameter what I want. Okay, diameter what I want is 100. He draw it 100. Now let's measure it. 500. Okay, so this is our second command. Our third command is rectangular. We can draw any rectangular. We can draw it from here, and he will ask us about dimensions. He asking us about the other command corner. No, we can write D, dimensions. Here he asking us we will write with the corner or dimensions. We said dimensions, D. Okay, now he will ask us rectangular length. I will write 100. He wants the width 50. Now we have our rectangular, we can put it anywhere, and that is our rectangular. Third command is offset. Offset is very important command. It helps us to draw same thing but in different places. For example, let's write offset. We can write offset, or we can write O, just O. It will give the same. Offset, he will ask us how distance we want, what the distance we want to offset it. Let's write 20. Okay, 20. Now he's told me select object to offset. Okay, select object. If I press here, so I will take offset here. If I press here, I will take offset here, and still taking offset on 20. If I want to stop, I can press escape. It's a stop. If I want to offset again, I will press O, enter. I can change my dimension. For example, 10. I will specify this. Okay, this 10, and so on. So offset is very important command and will help us very much. Our next command is trim. We can write trim, or we can write tr. It's the same. So let's know what is the trim. Trim, it's something like cut. We will make cut. For example, we wanted to trim this extra lines. Let's write trim or tr. He will ask us about the objects what we will trim from it. We will trim from this line and from this line. Now we have to write with the left click, or sorry, trim. he will ask us about the line what we will trim from it, this and this. Then with right click we will press it anywhere, then we will press here and here, trim again. Okay, again, line, any line, okay. Now trim, we want to trim from here and here. Okay, trim, we will press here and here, here, then right click, we want to remove this, so right click, then we removed. Trim this and this, then right click this, we removed it. Trim, right click, then right click, trim, right click. They are different lines. Okay, anyway, we can, for example, here trim, then right click. Now we don't have it, and this line will help, this command will help us very much. Next command is extend. We can write it like that, or extend, ext, both. So let's know what is extend. Extend, it's something like stretch. We have this line and we have this line, we want this line to touch this line exactly. So how can we do that? We will write extend, then we will specify, he told us choose our object, this is our object, then right click and choose our line what we want to touch. For example, another line, okay, extend, choose our reaching point, this, then right click, then choose it. This is very important to comment. Last command is mirror. For example, let's draw some circles. Okay, circle here and another circle here and another circle here and another circle here. Okay, now we need to make these circles mirror here or here or here. So let's try it. We want to make it mirror to this side. We will make line, okay, and we will write mirror. Now we have to select our objects, then right click, then choose that. We see our circles are here, then we choose left click. Now he will ask us about mirror, we will choose here, then right click, then we choose specify per mirror line, this and this. Now we have our line. We can press, now we have, he will ask us delete source if we want to delete this and put just the new circles here. If we press no, so he will keep both. If we press Y, we will remove here and put it here. For example, we will try pause. Now we will press N, no, so we have this and this. Let's try it different direction. Okay, now we will make mirror, select objects, this and this. Now right click, now choose our line. He will ask us yes, delete source, delete these circles, or no, we will write Y, yes, delete. He moved it, and this is very important command for us, and this was the last command here. And there are many commands, but we don't need it for our beginning lessons. Okay, I wish you understand and have a good time. Assalamu alaikum.